Hello everyone, welcome to Field World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and in this series of file handling using Python programming, in the previous video, the previous lecture, I have told you that how to write the data in the file, how to create a file using like when you are working on a binary file, so how to create a binary file, how to insert data into it, the concept of pickling actually we have referred, and now I am going towards the load function, and you can say unpickling also we will be seeing because it is working internally. So let's start. So this much we have seen in the previous video, and let me just run this. So you can see like data written successfully in the file, and after that if I will just double clicking on this file, so you can see that it is not able to read it. Here you can see it's like we are not able to read it because it is a binary file, so this is not opening as a normal text file. Now how to read it? So let's create one function. I'm just writing comment here, writing into a binary file, and here I'm just going to create one more function for reading from a binary file. So here I'm creating def read, and one more thing, let's take this particular thing inside this. Okay, so here let's create this, and again we will be just opening this file first of all, but this time in the RB mode. RB stands for read binary, WB stands for write binary. So the same file, this one we are opening in the read binary mode. And now I'm taking L equals to pickle.load F. F is the file which we are opening actually in the read mode. And then we just have to print L, and let's take f.close. So now we have just created a function for the reading. It's so simple, it's so easy. Let's call it here and let's run this and check that it's working properly or not. So first of all, it's written successfully, and you can see now it's read from the file. So in that case, you can just print a message also for the better understandability. Data from the file. Let's run it. So here you can see data from the file is this. So that first of all the data got written in the file, and then it is getting printed. So this is really simple. You can see it's so easy to handle the binary files. I hope this is clear to you, and if you are having any confusion, you can ask it into the comment section. It's not all for now. Now I'm just going to tell you that if you are having any dictionary, like this was a list, so we can handle the structure as we have discussed here. So structures such as list or dictionary we can handle here. So in that case, if working with dictionary, so what you can do? So this was working with list. Okay, so here I'm just giving a comment, working with list, and here I'm just giving the comment, working with dictionary. Okay, so working with dictionary, so that let's take a dictionary here. So here I'm just taking a dictionary where I will be just telling the marks. So computer, let's say it's 89 or 98. Okay, let's say maths, it's 88, and let's say English, I'm saying some subjects, and 87. Okay, so 3 subjects I have taken. Okay, let's take the last, Hindi also. It's not like relevant, but like it's not accordingly according to this. I'm just taking a separate value, separate data. Don't get confused, they are not interconnected. Hindi, and then I'm taking here say 86. Okay, so this is the dictionary which we have created here. Now to use, like to dump this dictionary, what we should do? Like we have taken pickle.dump, and then we have used this, so we will be using pickle.dump once again, and this time we will be taking d comma f. So this dictionary which we have created will also be written into the file f. So it will be written. Let's run it and check that it's written or not. Here you can see data written successfully, but only one thing is getting read from the file, because we have not called it a dictionary. We have not called it a dictionary. But let's check that it's here or not. So how we will understand? It's like very encoded, but yes, you can understand a bit, because here you can see the data is, you can understand it is here. But we have to make it human understandable. So let's do that. So here I'm just going to take L equal like D, suppose a variable, pickle dot load for D, that is dictionary. Oh, F, I'm taking it twice, and then let's print D. So let's try to run it, and here you can see now the data first of all is written successfully, and then we are getting the data successfully on our screen. So it's so simple. We just have to call the function once again. So it is here in front of you, the whole code, in which we have first of all worked with the dictionary list, and then we have worked with the dictionary, and again in another method which I have created for reading the file. Here we have read the file, both the files which we have created. First of all, this was for list, I have just written this list, and this was for dictionary. So we have just printed them also. I hope this program was clear to you. So this, we were working in the binary files, but this is not all about binary file. We can handle some more things in the binary format when we are working with binary format. Always it's not necessary to work with pickle. So in the next video we will be seeing some more content on binary file and some more interesting concepts related to binary file. So stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe it, and you can also follow FameWorld Educational Hub on different social medias like Facebook and Instagram, and there is a lot of interesting content, so you can just check it out. So you can also join the WhatsApp group of FameWorld Educational Hub, and the link for that is in the description of this video. See you in the next video.